Dollywood. Woohoo! We're at Music Road Inn, and Madison is going to be performing at Wonderworks tonight. So that should be fun. She's here with her dance school this week. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to go see all her performances. We're going to go to Dollywood and the Dollywood Water Park, whatever that's called. And we're going to do lots of fun stuff. So let's go check out this hotel. It looks really pretty. There's a really cool pool too. Did you see the water slide and everything? Really fun. And then we're going to go check out Madison's performance. Yay!
Look at it from here. That thing doesn't move.
Oh my god. Wow, I am so dizzy right now. I am so dizzy. As cold as the Titanic water was? Yeah, I feel it. Oh my. That's so cold. Oh my gosh. They have Disney stuff here. Good morning, guys. We're having a great time. The girls performed last night, which was a lot of fun. The kids got to go in the pool last night too, which was really cool. They have like a big lazy river and a water slide, so that was great. So our first day was off to a really good start, and the kids are really excited to check out Dollywood today too, so it should be fun. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning and we are headed off to Dollywood. Never been there before. I don't know what to expect. You guys know I'm a huge Disney fan, so I don't think it'll like meet up to those standards, but I'm hoping it's going to be a lot of fun and the kids are really going to enjoy it. So we are taking the trolley over, which is also new to me, and we're going to go hop on the trolley now and head over to Dollywood. Having fun, Madison?
Yes.
Yeah? There goes the train. We missed the train. We'll try again later for the train. It's a lot of fun here. It's really cute. It's really nicely done. It reminds me of like Frontierland in Disney. Does it remind you of that? Yeah, a little bit. Really cute. We're having a good time. It's really warm and nice out, and we're having so much fun here at Dollywood today. Is that your so much fun face? We'll see you later.
Bye! Guys, we just had lunch at where?
Grandma's Country Kitchen, I think it's called.
Grandma's Country Kitchen?
Called Aunt Granny's Restaurant.
The food here was really good. I think we're heading to the hotel. And yeah.
We had a great day in Dollywood, and I just got back from the pool. We're going to shower, get ready, and then we're going to this Dixie Stampede show. So it looks like a medieval times type of deal. I'm not sure, I've never been, but I think it'll be great, and we're getting ready for that. So far so good, great weather. I think we're getting some rain this week, but right now it's good, it's sunny and hot, and the kids are still having a great time at the pool.
Madison, are you having fun? There's smelly horses that we
Wednesday. We've been here in Tennessee since Sunday. We drove in actually Sunday morning, and it's been a really great trip. I just thought I would give you guys a quick update. We've been challenged by rain and thunderstorms a little bit this week, and I hope you can hear me. I have the pool right in front of me. I'll show you our hotel view in a second. But yeah, yesterday we went to Splash Country. I keep wanting to call it River Country. It's like the Disney in me. But it's called Splash Country. It's part of Dollywood. And it was really a lot of fun, but there was a thunderstorm, so we had to leave the park. We got a rain check, and the plan was to go today, but today also looks like thunderstorms all day long. So I'm hoping to go to the Titanic Museum. I love Titanic. I've been to the museum in New York. I've been to the one in Las Vegas, so I think it would be fun to be the one here, to go see the one here in Pigeon Forge. So that's on the agenda today, possibly. So far this week, we did so many fun things, especially with Madison and her dance troupe doing their dance performances at the local dinner show places. So at the beginning of the week, they performed at Wonderworks, and then we went to see the Dixie Stampede the following day, which was really so much fun. I wasn't sure what to expect with that, and it was a great time. Such a great performance. And then last night we went to the Tonite show, and the girls performed on stage, and it was just like such a special moment. It was so amazing, and Madison really, really enjoyed it. So they have another performance tonight, and that's where we're at. Tomorrow is our last day here with the dance troupe, but our family extended our stay until Saturday because on Saturday we are driving to Baltimore and getting on a cruise ship. So I could use the extra day here just to do all of the laundry and repack everything that I had packed for this trip. So it gives us a little bit of a turnaround time and buffer before we go away on the cruise, so I can kind of get my head above water and wash all the clothes and repack everything while we are here in Tennessee. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning, and unfortunately we never made it to the Titanic Museum yesterday. It was like a torrential downpour all day, and it was super crowded. Today's weather doesn't seem much better, so we're going to go there first thing in the morning. Hopefully the line won't be too long, and we're going to get right in. So anyway, yesterday we ended up just going to see a movie, and then I realized that I didn't pack the sparkly red bow that went with Madison's costume, and that was like a major dance mom fail. I felt so bad. She was crying. She said she wouldn't be able to perform without it, and that was like a major big deal. So I ended up spending some time driving around Tennessee looking for a close match to the bow, which I did. So kind of saved the day with that. But that was pretty much our whole day yesterday. By the time we saw the movie and I drove around and found that bow for her, that was the end of it. We met everyone for dinner at the Hard Rock Cafe, and then we went off to their performance at the Smoky Mountain Opry House. And it's just been kind of difficult finding things to do outside of Dollywood and Splash Country because this week has just been like a total rain out. And the most disappointing part is our first day here. I am sorry for all the noise. The kids are still sleeping in the room, and the garbage truck is out here, and you know, the pool stuff is all going on, so I hope you can hear my echo. But yeah, our first day we went to Dollywood. The weather was gorgeous, but it was our first day of vacation coming off of a long trip and Emily's Sweet 16 party. So everyone was really tired, and we didn't really feel like, you know, staying there all day. So we went on a few rides in the morning, we had lunch, and we went back to the hotel. And now I am so regretful of that, because I never imagined that the rest of the week would have just been boring. So I don't know. Today we're going to do Titanic, and we're going to do some shopping. I'm just going to maybe get ponchos if I need to, or just carry my umbrella all day. And I'm hoping tomorrow we can maybe do Splash Country in the morning and then do Dollywood and close the park. It's still calling for rain, but if it's not too bad, I'm just going to make it happen, because I would hate to travel all the way here to Tennessee, 10-hour drive, and not get the full experience of Dollywood. The girls performed last night. They performed at the Smoky Mountain Opry, and they did an amazing job. Madison was so excited to be on the big stage. So it's really been a wonderful experience for her and for our family, just to see her be able to do this and have this opportunity. So hopefully I will be at the Titanic Museum in just a couple of hours. Just gonna have my coffee and wait for the kids to wake up. So I'll see you later. Bye.
Here is the rain.
Hey Madison, did you like the Titanic Museum?
Yep.
Yeah, what was your favorite part about it?
Feeling like the iceberg and stuff.
Yeah. Did you like the part where you can actually climb up the bow of the ship? Yeah. That was a really fun
I thought it was really cool to like feel the iceberg and feel like the 28-degree water.
Yes. That's crazy, right? It was kind of sad. And we had like these tickets to board the ship, and every ticket had a real passenger from the Titanic.
And my passenger lived.
Who was your passenger? Tell me a little bit about your passenger.
I think it was Marianne Becker. Yeah.
Yeah, and she was how old?
4 years
Mm-hmm.
old. And she had a sister, which was weird because it was my friend Audrey right here, this little young one.
And did she survive at the end?
Yep.
Yes, she did. That was a really great trip.
I'm gonna go in the back.
See, Madison has her Titanic necklace.
Audrey.
So we went to the Titanic Museum. It was awesome. I couldn't take any video or photographs though due to copyright stuff. So that was unfortunate, but it was really cool, and it was a really interactive Titanic Museum, so the kids had a great time. And now me and Emily are just shopping at the island of Pigeon Forge, and then we're going to meet up with the dance troupe for dinner tonight, and then tomorrow will officially be our last day because Saturday we're headed to Baltimore. So we're just going to do some shopping in the rain now. Everybody wants me to do it. I'm so scared. Look at how high this is. Oh my gosh. It's good to know there's a ladder though.
Come on.
Okay.
We lost that.
All right, here we go.